How to create an FTP account in cPanel.
You can use your cPanel username and password to access all folders and files via FTP. However, if you want to create an FTP user account for a specific folder or don't want to allow access to your root files, you can create a separate FTP account. Go to the Files section and click the FTP accounts. Enter desired username in the Login text box.
Click the drop-down list and select the domain.
You can either enter the password manually or generate a password automatically. To generate it automatically, click the Password Generator button. Copy and save this generated password in a safe place. After saving the password, check this box and click the Use Password button. If you want to give access to the entire public HTML folder, enter public_HTML, or change the folder path to a different path, such as public_HTML/new-user, and your FTP user will be granted access only to the new user folder. Your FTP user will also be unable to access folders outside the public_HTML/new-user folder. Specify the quota in numerical words or select Unlimited. Click the Options button and select any one option. Now click the Create FTP button. Now you can access your FTP account by using your newly created FTP account. To access your FTP account, you need to enter host. In this text box, enter your website IP or your website name, like ftp.example.com. Here, replace the example.com with your website address. Enter the username and enter FTP port number 21. It is the default port. Then enter your FTP password in the FTP password text box.
Thank you for watching.